tree of 486. 486, it can be written as 2 and 243. So 2 times 243 means 486. 243, it can be written as 3 and 81. So 3 times 81 means 243. 81, it can be written as 3 and 27. 3 times 27 means 81. Now 27, it can be written as 3 and 9. 3 times 9 means 27. Now 9, it can be written as 3 and 3. So 3 times 3 means 9. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, these all 3. So now we can write 486 is equal to product of all these prime numbers. So that is 2 and these all 3. So this much for today and thanks for watching.